Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a mailing list onto your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Currently, as you can see, I'm currently on one of my sites, and I'm going to be adding a mailing list to this site. Now, previously, to go over and add a mailing list to your site, you'd go into marketing. However, that has now been moved into the contact section. So let's go over into contacts. Now, as you can see, you can add subscribers or create a campaign, or you can go into the lists and segments page, and here you can create a mailing list, which is exactly what we're going to do. Now, as you can see, you can name this mailing list. I'll just name it test list and then click save. And now we have created that mailing list. Now here you can add subscribers or create a campaign for this list. So let's go ahead and click add subscribers, and you can upload a list from a CSV file or add an individual subscriber. So I'll just select this email address. I'll add myself, for example. You can add a first name, test account, as well as a last name, and these subscribers accept marketing, just to confirm permission, and I will confirm the permission. And then you can just go ahead and click done, and as you can see, that subscriber has now been added. Now from there, that is pretty much it. For now, there is no subscribers because I added myself, but that is pretty much all you need to do. Again, sorry for my phone, but that is all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.